In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell if your windows are tinted. Hey guys, my name is Patrick and welcome to the channel. I'm a full-time window tinter, instructor, and consultant. My channel mainly consists of window tinting and the automotive aftermarket industry. I want to welcome you to the consumer awareness series that I have here on my channel. I basically go over the common questions that people have before they get their cars tinted. In this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to tell whether or not your car is tinted. So let's get to it. First, the main thing you guys want to figure out is what type of car you have. This is a four-door sedan. That black car right in the middle, where are we at? That is a two-door coupe, okay? And then also that is a hatchback. The red one is a hatchback. So these type of vehicles do not come from the factory tinted. They come with clear glass, and that is very important to understand. So when a car is brand new and fresh, you're gonna have clean glass on there. It does not come with factory tint. Now to check if your car does have tint, clearly you can see if it has tint, right? But then also you can tell from the edge, if you look on the edge right here, you can see that this is what's called a dot matrix. And it's very common that window film doesn't stick to the edge right there. So you see that dot, that white line? That's an indicator that there is window tint on here. This does not have a dot matrix around the edge, so it's very difficult to tell whether or not there's film from looking on the outside. But if we look on the inside, I want to see if I can bring it up here. You can see there's like a lip and you can physically feel it. And so if you can't really tell from the outside, you can kind of tell from the inside just by feeling it. If you don't feel a lip, then there's no film on there. Another indicator too that you can check for is the window. Roll one of the windows down and look at the edge. Typically, let me see if I can get it to focus here. Typically there's an edge. Do you see how there's a difference? Clear glass all the way to tinted glass. So sometimes it's a little bit harder to tell here, especially if the film has tinted or faded to clear. But here's another indication on how you can tell whether or not window tint is on the glass itself. Okay, so now we covered sedans, we've covered coupes, and we've covered hatchbacks. Again, those don't typically come tinted windows from the factory. Now let's talk about a different type of vehicle. Let's talk about the multi-purpose vehicle, okay? These are your trucks, these are your minivans, these are your SUVs. Now, typically what happens is that you're not gonna have anything in the front windows, just like this vehicle here, but you're gonna have factory tinted windows from the back. Those are typically around 20%. Now they do give you a little bit of privacy, but that's pretty much it. There's not a lot of UVA, UVB, no heat rejection, very little if any. It's basically dyes that are injected during the glass making process. So if you have an SUV and you're thinking about doing the fronts, also remember that if you're looking for heat rejection, then you might want to think about doing your backs as well. The only exception to this rule is if you have something like this. This vehicle is a fleet vehicle, is a commercial vehicle. Most of the time, commercial vehicles do not have tinted glass on the back end. You should never see a vehicle with tinted front windows. I mean, it should just be clean and clear, but the back end might come with factory tint from the factory. Again, that's a normal vehicle versus a commercial vehicle, which shouldn't have any tint whatsoever. And of course, that's just to save on costs. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, it's just a quick breakdown to kind of tell whether or not your car already has window tint or it doesn't, because some people just don't know how to figure that out. So if you like the content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out the playlist. It's gonna be Consumer Awareness Series. You can go ahead and check out the playlist for other commonly asked questions from consumers, from people that are looking to get their windows tinted and they're trying to get some questions answered before they go ahead and do so. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.